Okay, September the 13th, 2020, Sunday afternoon, about 10 till 3. We are on Old Covington Highway at Evans Mill in Lithonia. We've already got videos from Lithonia into Stone Mountain up Stone Mountain, Lithonia. We're going to get a video from Evans Mill on Old Covington Highway up to 285 in Covington Highway, where I will get on. I could go a little further down, maybe, I don't know, Memorial Drive, maybe to Avondale, not sure yet, and see where we end up. Okay, we want to get in the right-hand lane, but they sort of jumped at the light and beat me to it. Let's see, we're heading northwest on Old Covington Highway, or Covington Highway, whatever you want to call it. 85 degrees. Just come out of Rockdale County. This is South DeKalb County. I've done several videos in South DeKalb County that were watched very well. Run this all the way into Avondale, I don't know yet. We will be going by an unclaimed freight though. Wolfman and Donna. Wolfman passed, I don't know, a good many years back, I think, but Donna's still in business up here on Covington Highway. I don't know if she has another location or not. This whole area, South DeKalb, was my area for renovations when I was working with WRI and Ameritrust Residential. I don't know how many houses renovated through here, 50, 70, 100, I don't know, a bunch of them. That looks like new apartments, but I'm just guessing. Like Shane Construction. Kroger, I ate there many a day. $179. Still a good price. We got under $2 this spring, and but still, it got up a little bit over $2 once or twice, but it's been under $2 for a long time now, 6 months. Boy, it looks like they're doing some major mechanic work on that car. All that out there on the right's new since I've been over here. This see, it's been, shoot, I left WRI Ameritrust in 2014, November 2014. It's been almost 6 years. Good grief. All that on the left wasn't even here. Road, looks like the Walmart market is closed. Unclaimed freight right there on the left. Stop in and see Donna. That young man there is singing to the music, got his earplugs in, and he is rocking out. I guess. Only thing I can figure out. Very animated. Can't run very good with his britches down around his knees. For the life of me, I can't understand that. All that out there is new. South DeKalb is growing. Still haven't had anything to eat. I'm hungry. Snapfinger Creek is down here. I guess I was about 5. My brother Wayne and I and Daddy came down here and parked on that right side, on the left side of the road. Went down the creek, went squirrel hunting, killed 2 squirrels. Took them home, cleaned them, and Mother fixed them for dinner. I may go into Avondale and show you the old site of the old Avondale High School that burned. I think in 1954, what the caption was, I looked up on the internet the other day. That's moved out from out of Georgia, or out of this area 15, 20, 30 years ago, you won't recognize this area. Kerry Paul Ford used to be up here on the right. We bought a 1966 Mustang from Kerry Paul, little 289 automatic, and it had a front bench seat. Very rare. I don't think there were 400 or 500 ever made. I should have kept that little car, but I didn't. This is Wesley Chapel. It'll take you down and cross over I-20 and then go on out down through South DeKalb. We'll be coming up on Glenwood Road. Kerry Paul was right here on our right. Maybe right here, I'm not sure. Yeah, Glenwood Road there on the left. Take you all the way into Atlanta, turns into Glenwood Avenue when you cross over Campbell Road. And Superior Chevrolet used to be Lamar Farrell. These are long videos, but I want to get them unbroken from Lithonia all the way into at least 285. Coming up on, I think it is, if I remember correctly, is Penley Hills on the right. It's a nice area. Yeah, Penley Hills. Now here's 285. North would take you all the way across the top end. Cross the bridge and turn left. It'll take you all the way around south to the bottom end. And we'll go on up, maybe into Avondale. Then we're going to have to head on up towards Armuchee, Georgia.